Hey everyone, Daniel here from Recipe Cost Calculator, and today I'm going to show you how you can create or associate a custom nutrition facts with any of your ingredients. This is using our new AI integration, and it's pretty sweet, I think. I'm going to show you here. If you click on an ingredient, in this case we're going to use all-purpose flour, we're going to click on nutrition details up here at the top of the screen. And I just happen to have a photo that I took of the flour in my cupboard. And I'm going to show that to you here. And I'm going to press extract nutrition data. And this is going to analyze the nutrition facts table here. And it's going to pull out all of the values from that label right away. And you can see that we have also a nice set of confidence scoring around it. And you can see that all of this has been extracted and placed into the form for you. You haven't had to type anything at all. The only thing that you're going to have to do is, based on the serving size, you're going to need to just put in a gram weight. So we'll use 30 grams and we'll hit update nutrition data. And then we have now all of our nutrition data for this ingredient here in our account. You can use this for any ingredient you'd like. Take a picture, drag, drop it, and upload it and process it. And you won't have to do any kind of manual work for managing that nutrition data anymore.